Imagine waking up one day, checking your bank account, and realizing you're not just surviving, you're thriving. No more living paycheck to paycheck. No more sleepless nights worrying about emergencies. But here's the shocking truth. 78% of Americans are one unexpected bill away from financial disaster. If that's you, stick around because today, we're diving into personal finance and investing in the USA for 2025. This isn't boring Wall Street jargon. It's real, actionable steps to build wealth anyone can follow. Let's turn your money worries into money wins. First off, let's talk budgeting, the foundation of it all. Picture this. You're at a coffee shop, swiping your card for that $5 latte. But by month's end, those little treats add up to hundreds gone. Ouch, right? That hit me hard when I realized I was leaking money like a sieve. So, tip 1, track your spending for 3 months. Use free apps like Mint or just your credit card statements. Identify patterns. Maybe it's those impulse buys on Amazon, and cut the fat. Set one simple goal. Save an extra $100 a month by ditching unused subscriptions. It's not about deprivation, it's about freedom. Imagine redirecting that cash to a dream vacation. Feels good, doesn't it? Now, emergencies. They hit like a punch to the gut. Remember that time your car broke down? Or worse, a medical bill blindsided you? 72% of us faced setbacks last year. Build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account earning 4 to 5% interest. Start small. Automate $50 from each paycheck. Think of it as your financial airbag. Without it, one crisis could wipe you out. With it, peace of mind that lets you sleep like a baby. Retirement might seem far off, but delay it and you'll regret it. Emotional gut check. Do you want to work forever or retire comfortably? Max out your contributions. $7,000 for IRAs, $23,500 for 401ks in 2025. If you're over 50, add catch-up amounts. Automate it so you don't even notice. Compound interest is magic. $100 a month at 7% return could grow to over $200,000 in 30 years. That's your future self thanking you. Don't forget insurance and estate planning. Premiums are rising, so review your auto, home, and life coverage. Shop around, save hundreds. Update your will and beneficiaries. Life changes fast. And taxes? Start early. Use IRS Direct File if available in your state. Tax loss harvesting in investments can offset gains. It's like giving Uncle Sam less while keeping more for you. Frustrating to overpay, empowering to outsmart the system. New rules in 2025. Overdraft fees capped at $5. Switch to banks like Ally for 0 fees and save $225 a year. Declutter your finances. Audit subscriptions and cut 20-30% of wants. And cybersecurity? Use unique passwords and two-factor. Protect your hard-earned cash from hackers. Simple steps, massive protection. Shifting to investing, scary? Nah, it's your wealth accelerator. With Fed rate cuts, focus on balanced options. Low risk, high yield savings at 4 to 5%, CDs locking in rates. Medium, corporate bonds at 5 to 6%, dividend stocks paying quarterly. High growth, S&P 500 index funds historically returning 8 to 10%. Diversify, don't put all eggs in one basket. Start with $25 a week in a Vanguard ETF. Avoid timing the market. Dollar cost average through ups and downs. Markets recover. Think post-2008 boom. Emotional high. Watching your portfolio grow. That rush of building legacy wealth. Here's a quick comparison of common investments. If you're new, open a brokerage like Fidelity. No minimums. Align with your risk. Conservative for near-term, aggressive for long-haul. Review yearly. Remember, this is marathon, not sprint. Stay invested. Despite recessions, stocks rise long-term. Wrapping up, personal finance is about habits. Budget, save, invest wisely. It's simple. Spend less than you earn. Protect what you have. Grow the rest. In 2025, with these tips, you're set for success. But knowledge without action is worthless. So, what's your first step? Apply one tip today. Track your spending or open that savings account. Hit subscribe for more no-fluff finance hacks, share this with a friend who's struggling, and drop a comment. What's your biggest money worry? Let's build wealth together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.